Number 1. Janome Mod 19. The Janome Mod 19 can handle a variety of fabrics. The dials are easy to read and use, and it has enough specialized features, such as adjustable needle position, stretch stitches for knits, and a 4-step buttonhole, that you'll probably be happy sewing on it for many years. Although the Janome has some frilly decals that make it look dated, the mechanics of this machine are excellent, which is what really counts. You could spend much more on a beginner machine with more bells and whistles, but we don't think you need to. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. If you're just dipping your toe into the whole sewing thing, you want to hem jeans, say, or make some curtains, or if you're just playing on a budget, we also like the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, which you can usually pick up for less than $150. The Heavy Duty 4423's stitch quality isn't as nice as the Mod 19's, but it sews evenly, the dials are easy to read. And our testers, who have many years of experience, all said this would be a great machine to learn on. We also found that the Heavy Duty 4423 handled stretch knit slightly better than the Mod 19,